Hi, I'm Kristen with Wildflowers and Fresh Food, and today we're talking about a taco seasoning. We can make our own blend at home. I recently had a video call come in from Katie.
Hey Kristen, I absolutely love using your website and the free recipes and browsing your Instagram for inspiration to use in my own kitchen. Will and I use your fajita spice blend at least once a week, and we were wondering if you had any more spice blends for us that we could use.
Katie she's become a friend, which is really cool. I met her in cooking class and we have kept in touch, and she makes the fajita spice blend that's on the website, Wildflowers and Fresh Food website. She tells me that she makes it weekly. So she's asked for more spice blends. So this is a taco seasoning blend. And of course, when we mix our own spices together, we don't have all those preservatives that we get in the packets. So it's really, really tasty. And you can see I don't have a lot of stuff up here because all we're gonna do is we're gonna use the recipes down below. We're gonna use some salt, we're gonna use some chili flakes, some cumin, some paprika, some chili powder, some onion salt, some garlic salt or powder, whichever one you prefer, and then some oregano. We're just going to combine all of those. You can make a big batch of this ahead of time. Put it into an airtight container and just use it whenever you like. And you're going to use it exactly the same way that you would normally use your spice blends. So you're going to go ahead and add that to whatever you're making your taco protein, your beef or chicken, whatever it is. If you're beans, you're going to add in your spice blend, add in about a cup of water, let it simmer, and there you go. So Katie, thank you so much for your question. Here you go, another really, really easy one. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. There will be lots more coming. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I also have the Wildflowers and Fresh Food website full of free recipes, so go ahead and take a look there.